Hello, so today I will show you how to make an anvil, just like this one. And when using anvils, you can make very cool things. You can repair your armor or your tools, or you can put on some books on it to get enchanted, like enchanted book, so we can get this. And you can also change the name of your tool or armor. Like if you want to name this Tech Pixel Bow. And I can take this. It costs 4 levels. I will show you how to make an anvil like this. So first off, we need some iron. You find that by going underground, on mine. Then we have to make some iron blocks. We do this by filling every spot here with iron. We get 3 blocks of iron. That's all we need. We put 1, 2, 3 of the block of iron above. Then we take 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and we get the anvil. So now, if I go to creative mode, or if I just get these 4 levels, I can change the name of the bow, and I can get the enchanted book enchant on this bow. So I will just write it again here. Tech Pixel Bow. That's my name. So now you know how to use an anvil and how to craft it. Um, Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any other things you wonder, I can make a video on that. Just write in the comments and I will happily help you. Have a good day. Bye.